Yo, what's up, guys? RG Uprise here.
And so we're doing here, guys, and we're about to play White Noise. It's an indie horror game, and it's a little bit scary, but we're gonna try and do it and see how it goes.
Man, I feel like I'm about to get sketched out. How about you?
It's a little bit scary, and I don't like it. I don't like scary games.
Suck it up. Alright, guys, hope y'all enjoy the video, and we're about to play it. Peace out.
Leave a like. Love me.
Is there a running thing at all?
Right trigger. I turn on my flashlight. That's scary.
Oh my lord. Alright, yo, there's a coffin. There's...
Are you scared?
I am scared right now. Oh, we got one!
That sound means that... Yeah, that sound means they're around us. You just push A to get them. If you see a green totem, stay away from them. They are very bad. If you look at them too long, that creature will pop in your face.
Alright. Yo, that was either a bird or something. That was a bird or something. I don't know what. Oh my god! Ah!
Oh shit!
Oh my god!
Oh, shit.
That was him.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Go, freaking! Are you right behind me? Are you right behind me?
Yeah, I'm behind
Oh
you.
my god! Oh my god! He was right there!
Scared the shit out of
Oh
me
my
when you
god!
came. Of us, and we're doing.
Oh crap! There's a house right here. Should we go in there?
Oh, see, there's another one. Come here, 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 come here.
Where are you at?
I'm Pet Papa.
Dude, where are you at? Oh, okay. Oh.
Oh yeah, we cannot go separated because it'll tell you it's dangerous to go alone, and then one of us will get jumped. Like if we're if one of us dies, we're Gucci. But if we separate, we're screwed. How to do that?
Dude, you.
And
Oh my god, he's right there! He's right there! He's right there! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my
It'll
god.
show us where we got scared, where we encountered.
Oh my god, he's right there! He is right there!
Just don't look at him, because he normally won't jump in front of you.
Yo, where is it? Yo, that guy is following us. He is following us.
Okay. Oh my god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god, they killed me! What the fuck? Oh my fucking god! Oh, dude, I was legit just like.
Ah! Oh! No! 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 Go away!
Did he kill you?
No! 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 He hasn't.
If you see blue, that's me. Blue is me. Blue is me.
Wait, I can revive
See a
you?
blue outline. No, you can't revive me, but I can follow you and tell you where tapes are.
Oh, alright, cool,
But I
cool.
can't see the monster.
Yo, I got a tape,
Dude,
I got a
that's
tape, I
bullshit.
got a tape.
Good shit. Dude, I was legit
Got it.
following you, and here's what I hear. I hear behind me, and then he just pops in front.
Yo, this guy is following me. He's a really big stalker.
That was bullshit. I'm just like following you, and I hear and then dead. Oh my god. I had to hold in a scream, dude. If I had game volume on my headset, I would have cried. I would have shit.
Yo, I'm like frying right now, man. I don't like being by myself.
Just turn around. Turn around.
Oh my, okay, oh god, you scared me. I'm sorry, you scared me. You freaking... Oh my god, he's right there, he's right there, he's right there. No, go away, go
I'll look for
away.
tapes for you.
I...
Just keep going straight, and I'll look around to find tapes for you.
Alright. Yo, go away, go away.
Hey, come here, turn around. Come here, turn around. There's a tape right here.
Yo, I'm getting, no,
turn around.
hold up, I'm getting blurry. I'm getting blurred.
There's a tape right here, bro. Turn
Can't, I
left.
can't. Oh my god! Oh
Come
my
here,
god.
turn left. There's a tape right here.
Oh, dude, he's right there. He is literally right where you're at.
Is he sitting at the tape?
Yes, he is at the tape. No
Okay,
lie.
keep walking and then slowly turn this way. Not all the way, just slowly. That way you can like get. Dude, I ruined it. I died so fast. It's okay. Next time I will survive. I will survive.
Where?
Right here. Turn a little bit. Right here. See this?
Oh, you have to press A on it. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that. Yo, my screen's turning bright. No, go away! No!
That's a totem. Get away from that. Get away from those. Don't ever look at those.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Is they green? Was that thing
Yeah,
green?
well, it was green. I thought
Yeah,
he
don't
was
look at
going
those.
after
Those
me.
They'll kill you twice, I guess.
Oh my god. Oh. Don't do that. I wish you could freaking see the guy. This would be a lot better. So like I would. Oh my god! Don't do that. Oh my gosh! Don't do this. I don't like this,
But then I'd be
dude.
the one
I
in
don't
position
like
now,
this.
I'd be scared.
I bet you're like, oh yeah, dude, suck it up. I mean, but dude, you're not the one playing. You're just the one walking around.
Oh, here's
Tape
one
right there.
right
I
here,
see it.
right
I see
here.
it. I got 5. I got 5.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's one right here. Right here. Oh my god. Are we gonna? If we beat it, I'm done. I'm on first try beating it. I'm gonna cry.
Yo, if we do.
He's about to come after you. Get ready.
Oh my god. Sorry, you freaking scared me.
Anything in front of me. It's like so dim. Can you see anything?
No, not at all. Barely.
It's dim as hell.
But one person who isn't dim is that guy. Guarantee he's probably like right behind me right now. Like, hey, how you doing?
Like, hey there. I'm gonna get you, you little motherfucker.
No, 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 no. Go away, Shoo. I don't think I've been over here.
Oh. No, we haven't. If we beat this, I'm just...
Is there anything?
No, there's nothing.
Oh my god! Sorry, he was there. I don't like this game.
We went down that road, but we didn't check. We haven't been through the middle. I guarantee you, when you see the map, where you're gonna see this big area we missed, and it'll probably be in the middle. We ignored the middle. Just been following the outside.
Probably. You still go faster than me.
There's one right there. Right there. Yes, there's one right there.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, we can do this. Get it. Oh! Now the music's gonna change. The music changes after this. I hear one. Is it the last one?
Yeah.
Are we gonna beat this? Is it? I hear it. Right here, come here!
No! Got it! I got it!
Wait.
Oh my gosh! What happened?
Oh, we got the ending.
Oh my god, it grabbed me too! Oh my
We got the
gosh.
ending.
But
I played for 3 minutes! 3 minutes, that's so bullshit.
did we win?
I don't remember, is that how it ends? I had more scares than you did, what the hell? That means it scared me more than it scared you.
Oh my.
Watch, look at that. That took 18 minutes? Holy shit.
Oh my gosh.
Shit, that shows you where we found them.
Oh.
I think we beat it. I don't remember, cause did you die? Like, how did it look?
Like, I grabbed it, but then, like... Oh, that's where you died. Oh, never mind.
Fuck you.
Or, maybe.
That heart is where I died.
Oh.
Alright guys, we're going
Round 2 right now.
Hopefully I do not die within the first 3 damn minutes. Oh, there's a tape, I hear it. Is it inside? Oh my god, I don't want to go in.
Is it...
Please don't be inside.
Oh
I'm gonna
my gosh,
cry.
no. If it's inside, I'm gonna freaking cry. I really don't want to deal with this.
Oh, found
Good.
it. Oh my god, please! Turn around, turn the fuck around. Oh, fuck me.
I didn't see it. I did not see him.
I saw it, it jumped on my screen. In the first tape, this asshole's already on my...
Can he, like, go somewhere else? I want him to.
Okay, now,
Oh,
I don't
green
think we'll-
totem
as long as
pole
we're
over
both
there.
alive, there's no need to cut as much. As long as we're alive. Anxiety.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Is that a god?
Oh my god.
Oh, damn it.
Where are you at? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go?
Oh my god, don't tell me you lost me.
Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, don't look over there.
I don't like this.
I know. Tape.
Did
Oh, somewhere over here. Oh, okay, you got it. I got a little scared right there.
Slowly turn left. My ear itches. Oh, I remember that. There's always a tape here.
Is it up here?
Yeah, it's hanging on it.
Oh, alright, I see it. Oh my god, oh my god.
Turn right. Oh, fuck me, you asshole. Oh, there's a cabin. Who wants to go in? Oh my god. Who's going in? Who's going in?
Is there one in here?
Yep, there's one right there. Oh my god!
Did he get you? He freaking got you, didn't he? He got you, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, he got you.
Oh my god, my controller disconnected.
Did he get you?
Oh my god, he got me. He was sitting in the corner. He was sitting in the corner. He was camping like a little bitch.
Are you behind me anywhere?
Oh, dude, this is creepy.
Oh my god!
Behind you, trying to catch up to you.
God. Yo, I hear a tape somewhere. I just don't know where it's at.
No, that's not the tape. That's the totem behind
Oh.
you. Turn right, turn right. This is a windmill.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
That's 26 minutes.
Oh my
total.
god! Oh my gosh!
Hey, at least you didn't last much longer than me this time. Woo! This will be the first time.
Oh my god! I hate this game so much. Yo guys, man, that game was too intense. How about you, Silver?
He got scared. He's a baby.
Oh yeah, I was the one who got scared. You screamed, but I mean, I was alive throughout the whole time. It was.
Yeah, I died twice, and I died within the first 3 minutes, but we did beat it. I think.
I
we beat
really
it.
think we
got
did.
8 out of 8.
I mean.
So yeah, too much swag. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed.
Hope you
Please,
enjoyed the video.
please give us a comment of what you would like to see next, and make sure you always subscribe and like. We would love for y'all to like. Take it easy. Later.